Karamunai, located along the eastern coast of Sri Lanka, is a peaceful town offering a blend of coastal charm and cultural heritage. While it may not have the bustling hotel scene of larger cities, it still provides welcoming accommodations for travelers. From budget friendly guest houses to cozy villas and beachside resorts, Karamunai ensures that every visitor experiences warm hospitality and comfort. The first one is BW Residence. BW Residence is a practical option for travelers seeking comfort and affordability. The hotel offers well maintained rooms with modern facilities like Wi Fi and air conditioning. Guests often praise the staff for their friendliness and helpful service. Its quiet surrounding make it a relaxing choice for short and long stays alike. The second one is East Villa. East Villa provides a homely atmosphere with spacious rooms and neat interiors. The property features a garden and balcony area where guests can relax after a long day. Its convenient location makes it easy to access local shops and eateries. Guests enjoy the balance of comfort and value offered here. The third one is Villa Luxus. Villa Luxus is a boutique style property offering stylish rooms with a touch of luxury. The setting is calm and peaceful, ideal for those wanting to unwind. Guest highlights the warm hospitality and attention to detail by the host. It is perfect for couples or solo travelers looking for a cozy retreat. The fourth one is Dam Village Resort. This resort is set amidst greenery, creating a rustic yet comfortable ambience. It offers amenities such as outdoor pool, garden, and terrace for relaxation. Guests enjoy its natural setting away from the busy town center. The staff is attentive, making sure every visitor feels well taken care of. The fifth one is Green Villa. Green Villa is known for its simple, functional design and peaceful surroundings. The rooms are clean and equipped with essential facilities to ensure a comfortable stay. Guests often mention the welcoming staff and the calm environment. It is a good choice for those who prefer quiet lounging at reasonable prices. The next one is Sara Beach Resort. Sara Beach Resort offers a laid-back stay close to the shoreline. Guests love the direct beach access, garden area, and friendly service. The resort provides spacious rooms and is suitable for families or groups. Its location makes it a great spot for enjoying sea views and fresh coastal breeze. The next one is Beach Guest House Adelaide, Chennai. This guest house sits right near the beach, giving visitors the chance to enjoy seaside living. The rooms are simple yet well kept, ensuring comfortable at affordable rates. Guests appreciate the terrace area, perfect for watching sunset. It is ideal for travelers who want a peaceful and budget-friendly beachside stay. The next one is Catrain. Catrain is a small but well-rated hotel known for its cleanliness and good service. Guests value the friendly staff and the cozy rooms, making it feel like home. The location is convenient for accessible nearby areas of interest. It is a reliable option for both business and leisure travelers. The second last is Luxus Garden House. This property offers a garden retreat with modern comforts. Guests enjoy the calm atmosphere, clean interiors, and personalized service. It is especially suitable for those who want to unwind in a quiet environment. The balance of comfort and affordability make it a smart choice for longer stays. The last one is Bruce's Backpackers Homestay. A favorite among budget travelers, Bruce's Backpacker Homestay provide a welcoming and casual atmosphere. Guests love the homely vibe and friendly host who make them feel a part of the family. Rooms are simple but well maintained, ensuring a comfortable stay. It is an excellent option for backpackers or solo travelers. Kalmunai may not have luxurious five-star hotels, but it shines with its cozy, clean, and welcoming accommodations. Each of these properties offer a unique blend of comfort, affordability, and Sri Lankan hospitality. Whether you choose a beachside resort, a villa surrounded by greenery, or a simple guest house, you will find that the Munai's charm lies in its simplicity and worth.